Welcome back. Thank you for joining me, Chef Angie, in the kitchen again. If you're new to the channel, welcome. For all my subscribers, thank you for joining me. Today I'm doing crushed green plantain with tin mackerel and some chunky guacamole. Our cuisine is heavily influenced by the Spanish, so today I am giving you a mixture of both. So here are our ingredients. I have my plantain here. I have my avocados / in Jamaica we say pear for our guacamole, tomatoes. I have lime because I don't have any lemon, some bell peppers for my mackerel, onion, garlic, scallion, and some cilantro. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the plantains. The plantains are two-phase process, so I'm going to put them to pre-fry so I can mash them. So we're gonna deep fry these, so you wanna put a generous amount of oil in the pot, like so. We're gonna peel our plantains now. Peel them same way you wanna peel a banana because I'm going to reuse the skin to mash the plantain. So I'm going to do my best to preserve the skin. And this is one of my faves. Alright, so I'm using my finger to just glide under here between the plantain and the skin. It's gonna break a little bit because so I cut mine in wedges like this. And you can use the measure of your finger here. Alright, so you cut, stop there, and use a knife to go under. And you wanna go under deep enough there with your knife. That way you can get the skin off with some ease, right? Just doing this one more to show you. So gently move away your skin from your plantain. Just gently move it like that. Now if the plantain is a little bit turned like pre-ripe, it comes off easier. But I don't want to use that one because it's a little bit sweet. So I'm using the green plantain for this. And you want to clean off any excess you have here. And leave the plantain skin because we're coming back to use this to mash our plantains. Oil is nice and hot now. So we're going to put these in, pre-fry them. You can test your oil with a piece if you wish. But as you can see, it's bubbling, so you know it's hot. And you don't want to fry this on any high heat, fry it on mid. Because you want it to cook some way through, but not burn, because if this is fried too crispy, you'll have problem. It will break when you're mashing it, basically. So it's a little technique in frying it. Alright, so I'm going to turn my stove down at this point and leave these to fry on low heat. Alright, so now I'm turning them. They have been frying for 3 minutes, so I'm turning them over now. Alright, so you can see it's it did not change color, but it's still a little bit firm. So you want to turn them when you get to this point, and I fry them for another 3 minutes now. By the test, you can just squeeze them like this, and it will feel a little bit more soft. Because your mid or your low heat may be a little bit lower or higher than mine, I'm not sure. So you can feel it like that. In the meantime, let's make our guacamole and my here. And because I'm doing chunky, I'm gonna cut them big. So I just cut it in the skin like that. And then I'm just gonna release it in my bowl like so. It's too red, but the guacamole so it will work. You can make this smaller if you want to. Now Jamaicans are, shouldn't say Jamaicans, most people love pear, avocado. I love it. And this is a good way to have it. And it's nice if you're trying something different. ice up the thing a bit. So I need to wash off my hands now. Now my tomato, I'm not cutting my tomato small. But for my onion, I'm going to cut my onion a little bit smaller because I don't like the taste of raw onion, to be honest. And I'm only using a small amount in there. Alright. So that's good for me. Alright, let's check on our plantains again. Alright, these are ready to come out now. So I'm going to take these out. And I'm going to put them aside to cool for about a minute or so, just a little bit. And you want to mash these while they're still warm. If you wait until they're cold, they will break. And remember our plantain skin that I said we're going to use back. This is it. So I'm going to put a piece on a whole side. Use another piece to cover it. Press down with your palm. You can also put this in a plastic wrap or something if you lose your plantain skin. So mash it, and this is what you'll get pressed like that. And you press it like that. Put it there, down like that. Cover it with another skin, and you press. Now know how you press it in there because you don't want to mash it up. So be careful. And when you do them when they're warm like this, they don't break. And I'm going to show you just a little. See, it's cooked, but it's not cooked properly. So the second phase, yeah, you'll get it nice. So I'm going to mash these and then finish my guacamole. Alright, time for my tin mackerel. I love tin mackerel. I don't know about you, but if you don't eat mackerel, you can use saltfish for this dish or any other, I don't know, whatever you like to use. This is what I like. So here, little oil in the pot for the mackerel. For my mackerel, I have some scallions, green onions, regular onions, yellow pepper, green pepper, thyme, garlic, and scotch bonnet. Now I don't put red pepper because the mackerel is already red, and I don't put color on color. As I go, yes. So I'm using these. I'm gonna saute these first and leave the spring onions for last because they will burn easy. So when these are midway through, then I can saute the onion. And I use a small amount of oil. My plantains are all smashed and ready. So I'm going to fry these. This is the second phase and the last one. I'm going to fry this on a low to mid heat. Alright, as soon as this gets translucent a bit, I'll add in the spring onions and the mackerel. And these are changing fast. My oil was a little bit too hot. Good thing they went pre-cook already or they would have blown up. You can't cook, man. I'm multitasking. Working over here, working now. Add some black pepper to this. And I'm just breaking the mackerel in smaller pieces. And adding a little black pepper to this. Reheat it a couple minutes and we're good. You see how quick these fry? I'm ready. Alright, and this is for my guacamole. Yeah, so I have avocado, chopped tomatoes, onion, cilantro. I'm gonna in with my lime juice now. You know what I say? I'm not too like this and fancy business here. I prefer just to squeeze my lime in a but nevertheless. In with that lime juice. Season with salt and pepper. I'm just going to fold this in together. Carefully not to mash it up. I'm gonna taste to see if I need more lime juice for this. Can take a little bit more salt and pepper. Yeah. Oh no, ooh, me I try impress now. Okay. You can do this. You can try a thing. See it work out for you. Wicked. Make sure you get a little onion in there, a little pepper in there. Alright, this one I'll turn over. Yeah. See, look for which side is more flat so you can hold your toppings. And top it well enough, put enough fish on it, enough spices on it, you know? And then just tap on that little guacamole. Trust me, this is so good. Mouth a dribble water, you know. Proper dribble water too. I just want to take one up and eat it. But I gotta finish. It's too high now, cause let's see how far I'm gonna open my mouth to eat this today. I'm gonna plate me something. There we go. Finish cooking, it's eating time, so let's see what we cook up and how it tastes. That lime juice just hit the palate. Kicking. Yes. It tastes so good with the fish. Sorry. My palate is having a party right now. This tastes, it just tastes so good. Hands down, not because I cook it. It hands down tastes real proper. Trust me, real proper. The garlicky taste, the lime juice, the plantain and avocado. Boom. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please don't leave and don't hit that big red subscription button. From my kitchen to yours, have a fabulous day.